I'm Rob, that's Liz. It's his morning crew on his radio with another edition of Lizz's Ugly Bakery.
It is a Buche de Noel. And I only do that because my kids call me fancy. And so I always say the other language. Buche de Noel.
Bosch.
Bush?
You spelled it like Bosch and Lom, like it's a contact, but it's not.
No.
Okay.
It's a Yule log. Basically is what it is. It's a jelly roll, or it looks like a great big Swiss roll.
It does look like a humongous Swiss cake roll.
Yeah, and you had to, it scared me to death. This is why I've never made one before, is because you bake the cake, a really thin cake, and then you have to roll it and give it almost like muscle memory while it cools down. Then you unroll it, fill it, roll it back up, and then you put a chocolate ganache on top and make it look like a piece of wood.
I feel like this is a whole other language. Put a ganache on top. What is a ganache?
A ganache is cream, like heavy whipping cream.
Okay.
And bittersweet chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate. And you just mix the two together and it makes a delicious coating.
Well, I can tell you that our video crew at his radio is like chomping at the bit to try this.
I'm going to cut the nub of the Buche de Noel.
Okay, so we get the nub.
Yes, the nub.
Of this whole big Swiss cake Bosch de Lom thing. So she calls it Liz's Ugly Bakery because, well, quite honestly, some of the stuff that she makes doesn't look great, although I think this looks tremendous.
I am so proud.
She says she's so proud if you can't hear, because she's serving things up right now. Now, here's the thing. We have this on our website at hisradio.com. You can go to the blog and have the entire recipe. Is it easy to cut?
No, not really.
No.
It's kind of falling apart right this second.
She's serving things up.
Yeah.
That's what makes it ugly.
There we go.
Did you hear? That's what makes it ugly.
All right, so here's the other one.
Okay, now she's tearing it apart.
Yeah,
Now it's become Liz's Ugly Bakery.
Yeah, that's your part. Right there. All right. So what's the verdict, guys?
Okay, I'll take one.
Yes.
All right. Here's what it turns out once she puts it on the plate. I'll show you just a little sampling of this. Okay, so we'll give this a try. Guys, have you tried it yet?
About to.
Okay.
I just ate nothing but ganache.
That nub thing you put on the top?
That's right.
Whatever it's
Yep.
called? Okay. I'm going to try a little bit because it looks
You like it?
Oh, wow.
It has mascarpone cheese in it. You like it?
Who's that guy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whole lot.
Ian's all into it.
Who's that guy?
I am all about it.
The Marsh dude.
The mascarpone.
Yeah, who's he?
It's a cheese like cream cheese, but a little smoother.
Oh, it's a thing.
It's a dude, not a dude. It's a cheese.
So, Buche de Noel
Wow.
is the Ugly Bakery. Did I say it wrong?
Yeah. A
Okay.
bit.
And we have it on the blog so that you can make this yourself during COVID-19 social distancing.
Do not be intimidated. It only took about an hour and a half, 2 hours for the entire thing, and your family will love it and it'll feel like Christmas.